In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a marketing funnel using a Miro template. To get started, open Miro and create a new board. You can do this from your dashboard by selecting the option to add or create a new board. Give it a second to load and you'll see a blank canvas appear. This is where we're going to build out your marketing funnel using one of Miro's ready-made templates to save time and keep things structured. Once your new board is open, look for the templates option in the toolbar. Depending on your layout, this is usually on the left-hand side or along the top. Click on Templates to open the template library. This library is where Miro stores a wide range of pre-built layouts for different use cases like brainstorming, project planning, and marketing. When the template library opens, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type a keyword related to what you're looking for. In this case, you want a funnel template, so type in funnel. You might see different variations appear, but we're specifically interested in the marketing funnel template. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the search results until it appears. Next, click on the marketing funnel template. A preview window will open, giving you a quick look at its structure. This template is designed to help you map out the different stages of your customer journey, from initial awareness all the way down to conversion or purchase. It's a great way to visualize where your audience is dropping off and where you can improve. In the preview, look for the option that says Add or Add to Board. Click that, and Miro will place the marketing funnel template directly onto your current board. It may take a moment to appear, and it might come in at a zoom level that's either too far in or too far out, so feel free to zoom and pan until the whole funnel is clearly visible. Now you can start customizing the different fields in the template. Click on any text box to rename stages, add descriptions, or include metrics like conversion rates. You can change colors to match your branding, rearrange elements if your funnel has more or fewer steps, and add sticky notes or arrows to highlight key insights. As you work, keep saving your board and zooming out occasionally to make sure the funnel still makes sense as a whole visual.